Hello everybody. So welcome back to our channel. So now we want to go for lunch. So stay tuned.
Hello guys. We are at this coffee shop. We want to eat lunch. Breakfast I say no. This one, we want to order Lim's chicken rice. So it's a friend's shop. Okay. Sama kan? Okay. Ada dia? Okay. Nasi ayam. Ada? Ya, steam punya 3. Makan. Ya. Okay, come.
Hello guys, so we are at Yijiawan Yuan Cafe. We are at Satok. So it's opposite this one, the Chunghua School. The Chunghua there. Cannot see there. Yes. So now we want to order the famous chicken rice there from here, the shop. We ever tried the chicken rice here? Nice lah. They serve with belacan. So stay tuned. Pergi lagi. This one main peranan guys. Sambal belacan deh. This one is Lim's chicken rice. They serve it with the sambal belacan.
3 portion.
3 portion. 3 orang makan. How much?
This one is 25, less all 22. This one is cheese duck.
What is that?
This one is peye.
Peye, how much?
Peye is 350.
350.
Got murku. Got sambal you want? Sambal beijing and sambal mangga.
Wah, ke sambal.
One peye.
Peye.
Get 2 peye.
And this
This one is homemade, is it?
no, this one Malay man.
Oh, Malay
Malay.
Oh.
Bukan saya orang tidak pandai. Mana boleh ngomong. Ini saya punya adik buat.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You got plastic?
Then you take the plastic.
Okay.
Mana satu lima ada plastic.
Biar merah
Dengan buka ini. Merah tinggal. Wait, I change.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, this one is rempeyek.
Peye.
Favorite. 350. Let it guys.
Some person
Like
like
also like
also
to eat this one.
like to eat that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tidak memang ini macam.
Dia minat ini, dia suka makan ini.
Yeah.
Saya mami buy. Sekarang saya punya soldier 2 mau datang. My brother punya mother sudah. Turun di kampung. Dek last night until what time? Kecilnya. Suruh saya ayun berapa jam.
Where you from, auntie?
Dia kucing.
Oh, stay where?
Pisang root west.
Oh, Pisang Road.
Sang Road.
Okay.
Oh, nearby lah, nearby.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Pisang Road. Hello guys, so I
Hmm.
want to review the viral chicken rice. This one. Got fly because got belacan lah.
Yeah.
So, this one is the belacan guys, look at that. Ooh, this one ayam peranan.
Belacan.
Yes. Right. Sambal kan? Sambal kan? Sambal.
Okay. Chicken. Okay, ada chicken dia.
Mantap guys.
Jangan cuma saya topper one.
Okay.
Okay. Mantap dia.
Mantap.
Hello. So we want to try this. Want to eat this nasi ayam lim chicken rice. Lim chicken rice. Okay, we try. The belacan dia, peranan lah. Okay. Try the belacan and the chili. Try the chili and the belacan. Okay. The smell very strong, very
Very
nice.
nice.
Very strong the smell. No overpowering dia. Tetehan, cun-cun, ngam-ngam. Mantap.
Mantap guys. Okay, lanjut makan. So this is the only place that we know in Kuching, the one that serve chicken rice with sambal belacan. So maybe you people know where other place that they have sambal belacan also, which is served with chicken rice. So can comment below lah. Okay, so lanjut makan.
Nah.
Dua dekat. Okay. Nah. Recommended. Makan.
Kalau food.
Rasa nice, a bit left there.
See. Finish already our food. Already finish it.
2 days.
2 days. Macam ni?
Ija Yuan Cafe.
Ija Yuan Cafe. Very hard to pronounce the name of the coffee shop. Ija Yuan Cafe. They got other food also beside the chicken rice. They have. We also sometimes we take our breakfast here. They got
Mie goreng.
mie goreng. They got
Laksa.
laksa. They got kolomi.
Kolomi.
They got kita porridge also got. Porridge, kecap, rice kecap, mie, pan mie kat ada. Or black pot mie. Pun ada. Semua ada. Okay. Okay. Okay, go. Wait for mommy, ya. Present deh. Kecap. Okay. Let's go. Stop first. Stop first. Audi. Audi.
So hello guys. So now we want to go and pick up grandma. See Bison there. Yeah, after eating sleepy. So stay tuned on our video later.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.